Hi, this is Dr. Ernesto, and I just had another treatment with the shaman, and I wanted to share the experience with you while I'm still in the zone. So today, instead of doing the yahe or the ayahuasca, we did ambil, which is like a tobacco. The shaman was explaining to me that the tobacco is the strongest treatment that they use. So during his treatment, he was chanting, he was throwing herbs on me, he was waving feathers on me. I was sitting in a chair. I always have a pot in case I get nauseous or something. He's blowing tobacco smoke over my body. And he was focusing in on parts of my body that he said I needed to heal. So I told him I was over here because I was gonna go to Medellin to get a treatment on my knee. So he worked on my knee to heal it. And my eardrum busted about 2 weeks ago, just randomly. Woke up in the middle of the night, I had a really bad earache, a bad earache, and I finally went back to sleep after taking a bunch of melatonin. Woke up in the morning, there was blood all over my pillow. So I feel a lot better now. It was hurting me. I've been taking medications, but he treated that. He said I still had an energy on me. Some woman put on me, who knows where that's from. So he said he was working on that to heal it. He has me take my shirt off while he's treating me, putting herbs on me, blowing liquids on me. He says that when you wear clothes, the treatment stays on your clothes, so it's better to treat your body so it absorbs in through your skin. He was helping to center me, clear my energy so I could do a better job treating my patients. He was saying, of course, when you're treating people, you absorb energy. So he was clearing me out and making me a little stronger. I feel really sleepy. I was sitting in the chair and I thought I was gonna fall asleep, or I thought I was gonna fall out of the chair. He did use a little bit of ambil. It's, like I said, it looks like black tar, and it's made out of tobacco. You put it on top of your mouth, and sometimes it makes you nauseous. I have kind of a resistance now because I've done it a few times with him. If you're gonna do things like that, it's best to do it with a doctor. He's an ancestral doctor. It's a lot more effective, and they guide you in what you're needed to do. So he treated this bracelet and he put it on my right hand since I'm right-handed, and this will help guide me when I'm treating patients, since I use my right hand generally. So I'm more effective at healing people, and so that I don't absorb energy. He gave me this necklace with cords, so when I'm in the clinics, when I'm treating patients, so that it protects me. He said, not to have anybody touch it, and then just take it off at night so it can recharge over the evening. So he instructed me to get some quartz crystals, and I'll try that. I'm gonna get some and use them with some of my patients and see, how that works with them, see if that helps center them a little bit. And I feel really clear. I feel like a computer just got erased. A hard drive. I don't really have any thoughts. Before we started my treatment, he said I was a little distracted. He said I was all over the place. I wasn't focused on the horizon, were his words. I definitely feel really centered, and I'm talking to you and I'm only focused on every word as it comes out. I'm not thinking about anything else. Everything is blank, which is unusual. If you think about it, right now you're hearing my voice, you're probably thinking about other stuff. Maybe you're in a hurry, maybe you have to go do something, maybe you're hungry, maybe what you're gonna go eat later. And I'm not feeling that. I was actually feeling that before, and they call that the monkey mind in Hinduism. It's just your mind going all over the place. The goal is to control that with meditation, so you can be focused and centered on what it is you're doing each day. That's gonna help you bring more peace to yourself. And an interesting thought I had when I was in silence, a thought came to me, and I feel like it was God, because I feel like I'm communicating with God when I do these treatments. And it was an interesting idea. What I heard was that the past is toxic. So when you dwell on the past and you bring it back into the future, it kind of ruins your moment and your day. And I thought about it, and I'm thinking about it now. I'm really tired. I'm gonna probably crash out and go to sleep right now. It's true. Most of the stuff that we think about are things that might have happened in the past. And every time you think about it, you're bringing it forward again. You're carrying it forward into your future with you. So as he was talking to me earlier when I was interviewing him, you want to forget about things. Leave the past in the past and just focus on the future. In my treatment, which I'm still going through right now, it's gonna probably take the whole day. That's usually how it goes. I'm gonna feel real tired. I slept great last night, so I'm gonna go to sleep right now. I'll probably sleep a few hours. I'm in my treatment. I was thinking about the past, and I was recognizing that the past is toxic. Whatever it is, when you think about it, you carry it forward. If you think about it, when you think about that moment in time, it kind of ruins your moment, and it clouds your thoughts, and it causes worry and stress. So I think that's the lesson I learned today, is that I tell that to my patients all the time. 98% of what you worry about never happens. That's actually a psychological concept they teach in psychiatry. People get anxious, they get worried, they suffer. A lot of people have anxiety. A lot of patients I see have anxiety. Even if you don't have clinical anxiety, we all worry and stress about things. The lesson is to just forget and clear about those things. I learned about a Hawaiian treatment. I can't think of the name right now because it has a Hawaiian name, but it's basically Ho'oponopono. I think that was it. And you say to the spirits, to the elders, I love you, forgive me, and you just forgive things. Give it to the gods. There's 4 different ones. Whenever you think of something you don't want to be thinking about, or you shouldn't be, just think about God and tell God you're going to give it to Him. Forgive you for thinking about it and say I love you. So that's the lesson today. And thank you for listening. This is Dr. Ernesto. And from Cali, Colombia, right after my on-bed treatment. You have a good day. God bless you. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like our video. Thank you. God bless you.